Hello students, now we are going to learn how to draw the angle bisectors of all angles of triangle. So to draw the angle bisectors of all angles of a triangle, we will first of all draw the triangle of given measure. Suppose that I have a triangle having sides 5, 6 and 8 centimeter. Then first of all I will draw the largest side, that is 8 centimeter, and then I will take a distance of 5 centimeter, and then I will draw an arc from point A, and then I will take the distance of 6 centimeter and I will draw the second arc from point B. Now this is my triangle ABC. I will join the point of intersection and I will complete this triangle. So this is triangle ABC having sides 5, 6 and 8 centimeters. So this is triangle ABC. Now we will draw the angle bisectors of all angles of this triangle. First of all we will draw the angle bisector of angle A. For that, place the pointer at point A. Place the pointer at point A and take the suitable distance. Here I will take the distance like this and draw two arcs, one on sides CA and one on side BA. So these are the two arcs from point A. Now again place the pointer at the newly drawn arc and draw two more arcs. The arcs that we are going to draw can be in the interior of the triangle or they can be in the exterior of the triangle depending on the distance that we have taken in the compass. And here we see that the arcs are in the exterior. That will make no difference, but it will become easy to draw the next angle bisectors if the arc will go in the exterior of the triangle, and it will reduce the confusion. So this is the angle bisector of angle A. Now we will draw the angle bisector of angle B. For that, place the pointer at point B. Again draw two arcs on the sides of angle B. So this is the first arc on side BC and second arc on side BA. The arcs are like this. Place the pointer at point B. Draw two arcs on the sides of angle BC as first and second. Now draw the next two arcs. You can change the distance here, and you can make the distance such that the arcs can go in the exterior of the triangle, and that will reduce the confusion. So this is the next arc, and now the arcs are intersecting here. Now we will join these two arcs. So this is the angle bisector of angle B. Now we will draw the angle bisector of angle C. To draw the bisector of angle C, place the pointer at point C and draw two arcs on the sides of angle C as CA and CB. So these are the arcs that we have drawn. To make it clear, I will hold the compass like this. The first arc is on side CA and the second arc is on the side CB, like this. And now we will draw two more arcs from the newly obtained arcs, as we can change the distance here, 1 and 2. We can correct the arc like this. Be careful while making the corrections if you want. Okay, so again I will show how to draw the bisector of angle C. First of all, place the pointer at point C, then draw two arcs 1, 2 on the sides of angle C, 1 and 2. Then draw two more arcs from the newly obtained arcs. You can change the distance here as 1 and 2. Now we will join this point with the point C, and we will get the bisector of angle C also. So this is the bisector of angle C. If we observe the figure carefully, then we can see that the angle bisectors of the angles of triangle are concurrent, means this point is I and it is the single point. You can see that this is the single point. Now if we draw the perpendicular from this point, or if we measure the distance of this point from the sides of the triangle, then the distance should be same. Means if we measure this distance, if we place the pointer at point I and if we measure this distance, then you can see that this distance is same from the sides of the triangle, and therefore this is known as the incenter of the triangle. Incenter means if we draw the circle like this, then it will pass or it will touch all the sides of triangle ABC, and therefore we say that this point is equidistant from the sides of triangle ABC, and it is known as the incenter of the triangle. So for any type of triangle, the incenter is equidistant, is in the interior of the triangle. So this is all about the angle bisector of a triangle. Thank you.